welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Tricot knitting collection. This time, guys, is the second one, so make sure to check out my first. I will have that in the end cards in the end of the video. But well, guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like knitting, if you like doing little projects like this, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright, so before we check out the magazine, I just wanted to show you this little flyer that shows us that the next in this collection will come with this magazine and these 2 balls of yarn and 2 knitting needles as well. So it'll come with two things of yarn and 6-inch needles. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And well, now it's time to check out our book that we got. Here's the cover. It teaches you how to make a blanket as well as some other projects. How to make little things for the cover as of your rain boots so they don't rub at your skin. That's actually pretty useful. I'm definitely going to be making this. It shows you exactly what needles you'll need, as well as the yarn. And it shows you the pattern of exactly what you need to do. You guys tell me, would you guys be interested in a video where I walk you through how to do these little projects? You guys tell me down in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys think. and it would be neat to do these projects with you guys, but you guys tell me if that's something you think you would enjoy. Tell me down in the comments below. And it really does come with many projects for you to do, which is really cool. Oh, and this is really lovely. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. Here it shows you how to make little booties for a baby. It's very cute. I really love how many different projects they give you with each edition, and how they walk you through how to do each one of these different stitches. Because currently I only know how to do one, so it's very cool to be able to learn a bit more. Here it shows you all of the abbreviations and sizes here on the side. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we just see what the next edition will bring. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And well guys, now it's time to see our brand new addition to our knitting collection. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, so it comes with 25 grams of this white yarn, which is very soft. Very nice yarn. I'm gonna put that to the side so we can see our orange yarn that we got. It's very bright, and again, it's very, very, very soft, not itchy at all. And again, it's 25 grams of this yarn as well. And well guys, that's the end of that. You guys tell me, which color do you like better? Do you like the orange or do you like the white? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Coasted Partinaire. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. As always, I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day.